Hey, how y'all doing today? Hope y'all are doing good. Today I'm just gonna be trying to do a trying to catch up video, because a week ago today I did a lot of cleaning because my husband was working on my car all day. It broke down like 4 times in 2 weeks. So I think he got it right. I had to get new brakes, new tires, a new slave cylinder, and everything. So hopefully I'm good for a while. And so I'm gonna get myself ready. And I've only got about 2 hours left till I have to go to work. So I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm gonna do whatever chores I can do today. And normally it takes me about a few days. If I haven't cleaned in a week, I haven't cleaned in a week. I mean, I have, like I've done a couple of little things here and there, and my husband washed 6 loads of clothes. I think it was Saturday, or it might have been Sunday, whatever day it was, he washed 6 loads of clothes for me. I've still got 2 or 3 loads because, like I said, I haven't done much in about a week. So I'm just gonna do the best I can and try to catch up. And that means I'm gonna be washing a load of clothes and folding a load that was already in there. I gotta have some work shorts and a work shirt, so I'll have to get the clothes dry that are in the washer before I go to work. So that's why I've already threw them in. And I've got some bacon started. We're gonna have some, I bought some croissants, and we're gonna have some bacon, eggs, and croissants for supper. And I just feel so rushed because I let myself get behind again. But what I'll do is I'll do as much as I can do today before work. And then when I get home tonight, I'll do some dishes. I don't push myself because I work long hours. So I'll probably set my timer for like 10 minutes tonight and do some dishes. Then I'll get up tomorrow again and do as much as I can. And as long as I come home and do some dishes every night when I get off for like 10 minutes, I usually catch up on everything in about, well, not everything, because like there's always dusting and vacuuming and things like that. But I'm even gonna try to knock that out this week. But So as long as I come home from work every night and do like 10 minutes worth of dishes, then I'm usually caught up in a few days. And after that, some nights when I come home, there's no dishes at all. And some nights I might have a few pans left over from something I might have cooked earlier in the day. But the way things, go in the summer around here, I can't really cook hardly anything because it'll get the house too hot. So yesterday I finally cooked some chicken tacos, which only took 1 pan and 1 burner, so that was good. And today I'm gonna cook this bacon and then cook some eggs. So hopefully that won't get the house too hot. But we don't eat very good in the summer. A lot of times we eat things like sandwiches, cereal, maybe every once in a while some corn dogs or something that I can cook in the air fryer. This house just does not cool very well. And when we have between 90 and 100 degree weather, that makes it even worse. And a lot of times I'll try to run my dryer at night, but I really need my work clothes today, so I don't have a choice but to run my dryer today. But what I'm gonna do is, my husband said just shut the door going between the laundry room and the living room, and maybe that'll help out some. And we don't have long till fall. I love all the seasons, I really do, but it gets old being shut up in this house. We can't hardly open our shades. Thank God I work a lot, and I work a lot outside, because I wouldn't be able to stand being shut up in the house all the time. And so we leave our shades shut a lot. We leave our garage shut a lot. We don't cook a lot. We don't run the dryer, usually except at nighttime. So that's my summer life. But what are y'all thinking about fall? I wasn't even in the mood for fall at all until the birthday parties were over last week. And it's like, I know it's not the end of summer, but that's like our last big summer thing that we do. So now I'm not ready to decorate for fall, but I am thinking about fall. And I'm thinking about, decorations, and I'm thinking about cooking again because I love cooking. So I'm ready for all of that, but not just yet. Right now I'm just thinking about it. And I'm not gonna lie, I have been looking at Christmas stuff already. That's just me. I love Christmas. And y'all know that if you watch my channel regularly, but I'm ready to start getting some ideas about fall. I am not gonna be buying any fall decor because if you know, I'm not allowing myself to buy any seasonal decor this year, or really any decor at all, just because I'm trying to save money. But I am gonna allow myself Christmas. So I'm hoping I get enough points on my point system through work so I can buy another Christmas tree this year. For years and years, I've been wanting a flocked, like a big, 7-foot. I wanted a 9-foot, and a 9-foot will fit in this house if we put it in a certain area. But there's only one area we can put it in where it'll fit, so we could never put it anywhere else. And if we ever move to a place that has smaller, lower ceilings, like my ceiling in this living room is vaulted, if we ever move somewhere that don't have 9 or 10 foot ceilings or areas where we can put it, then it would be a waste. So as much as I love big Christmas trees, I decided just to go with the 7-foot flocked tree. I've never had a flocked tree. And I'm still gonna use my little white pencil tree this year too. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. But we'll see how all of that goes, because I've got to get enough points on my card in order to buy the flocked tree. And I've also got a couple of other little things on my Amazon list. I think one of them is some wall decals that'll match my theme this year. I don't know if you remember, but we're gonna go ahead and go with blue and silver again this year. And I think that's gonna look so good on that white pencil tree. And then I think I've got some hand towels in my list that are blue and silver. That might be all. And I'm not gonna overdo it, but I am gonna buy some Christmas decor this year. And of course I wanna hit Big Lots and probably Walmart and Home, what do you call it? Hobby Lobby for sure. I really would like to do a few, maybe not as many as I did last year, but a few Christmas shop with me videos this year. And I know that y'all loved the Michaels one because I think that one got the most views. So I'm thinking about seeing what Big Lots has, if they have enough different stuff that I can do a video there. And probably do Michaels, since that was, I think that was my most viewed Christmas shop with me video. And then of course I want to do Hobby Lobby, so we'll get at least 3 of those in this year. I don't think I'm going to do the video every day for Christmas again this year because it didn't do well. My fall one did great. I did a video every day for like 8 days, 7 or 8 days last fall. It did great. It got me quite a few viewers, I think. Close to 100 if I'm not, sorry, not viewers, subscribers. Close to 100, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But the Christmas one, I don't think I got any subscribers. If I did, it was 1 or 2, and I didn't have tons of views. So I'm gonna skip that this year because it wasn't easy. I know some of them were shorts, but it wasn't easy trying to think of, you know, different videos to put up every day, and kind of last minute. I didn't really plan it out, but I will do some Christmas videos, but it's not gonna be every day. And fall, as far as the fall, I'm not buying anything, but I am gonna try to decorate a little different than I did last year. I'm gonna pay attention. I'm gonna look at my fall video from last year and try to put things in different places, make it look a little bit different for y'all since I'm using the same stuff. So hopefully everything will go good with that. And now my main goal this week is to just make up for not doing anything last week. So don't expect nothing big today. I'm gonna do what dishes and laundry I can and get the pets fed. But other than that, it's just gonna be catch up throughout the week. But I am gonna get this video posted for y'all. And I hope I've done enough rambling while I'm putting on my makeup. So I'm just gonna leave it at that, and we'll get into the chores in a few minutes.
Every change